y'all, this is Amanda with She's a Mad Gardener, and today I did a little bit of plant shopping and I fell in love with some fall colors. So I'm going to be redoing my planters. You can see them out over here. I'm going to be redoing them for the fall. As always, make sure you hit that subscribe button, that notification bell, and make sure you drop me a comment below. Let me know if you're dying for fall or if it's still too hot in your area. Okay, so I did some shopping today at Covington's, which is local to our area. Fell in love with a lot of varieties. I got some celosia here, a couple of different varieties of ornamental peppers. Let me see if there's tags. This one particular variety is called Sedona Sunset. And this particular variety, which is purple, is called Conga, right there. And I do have some different types of coleus. I do not have those varieties. They don't have a tag. I love this bronze one. This one's pretty as well, green on one side and kind of the burgundy color on the other. A couple of more different types of ornamental pepper. Let me see. These are called chili chilies. Super cute, very pretty. Also have some coneflower right here called soft orange. Look at these super cute little mums. Aren't they sweet? Love those. This yarrow is actually for another part of the yard, and some Rebecca. And so these are the two pots in question. As you can tell, the Diamond Frost Euphorbia is pretty dang happy. I'm gonna keep it, y'all. I don't wanna get rid of it. It's so glorious. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give it a little trim back. I'm gonna remove these petunias. I'm gonna remove some of these caladiums, and then I'm gonna tuck in some fall blooms. I am gonna be sure to recharge with my favorite fertilizer, which is all the way over here, and that is Plant Tome by Espoma. So I will be adding that into the containers.
Autumn comes too soon. Autumn comes too soon. Autumn comes too soon. Summer is ended, the leaves are turning brown. Red and yellow, soon they'll be falling down. Now, I'm not ready, not just yet. I'm not ready for autumn. Autumn comes too soon. Autumn comes too soon. The light that flickers will blow side, and all that blossomed will wither away and die. Not now, I'm not ready, not just yet. I'm not ready for autumn comes too soon. I'm not ready for autumn. Autumn comes too soon. Autumn comes too soon. Autumn comes too soon.
guys enjoyed these planters. So I'm sweating. My house is still absolutely decorated for 4th of July, Memorial Day, and Labor Day is when I take everything down. So this next week, all of that will be coming down and I will be working on our fall Halloween porch. These are going to be an excellent addition. All the little metal fall corn decor that I added into these arrangements is from the Dollar Tree. Super simple. If it gets destroyed, I'm not worried because I only spent $1. However, if it makes it again for next year, that's fabulous. As always, she's a mad gardener or decorator or anything else that she wants to be. Thanks, y'all.
I'm not